Welcome back everybody to another episode of Boats vs. Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet in Miami, Florida. I am your host Broncos Guru, along with our boy Wavy Boats getting the images down at the inlet. Let's go ahead and get this episode started. Our first boat to do battle with Haulover Inlet this week is one of my favorite types of people. This is that full send guy. That's right, they're coming through the inlet, throttles down no matter what. It doesn't matter if the conditions are good, they're bad, they're rough, he doesn't care. All he knows is he's going full speed and he's getting air as he's rolling through the inlet. These types of guys really are a blast to watch, and every single time we see him roll through, they wind up taking a win for the boats. Our second boaters to do battle with Haulover Inlet are going to show us what it's like when we get a little bit of a wetter ride rolling through Haulover. Here they're coming in just a little bit too slow, and it's a rough day, and people are about to get wet. And my man in the front has made a terrible mistake, and that's that rookie mistake of keeping his cell phone in the bow of the boat with him as they roll through Haulover Inlet, and now his phone is completely soaked. These guys really are having one hell of a ride coming through Haulover. I actually am very surprised they didn't turn around on this. With this many people on the boat, these kind of conditions, and at the pace they're going, it just doesn't look like it's going to be a fun day out there fishing. These guys go out there and battle it out anyway, but you know what? I'm still going to have to give this round to Haulover Inlet. They just put too much water into the bow of this boat. My man's ruined his phone. Haulover definitely won this round. I know I talk a lot on these about coming through Haulover throttles down, but it's not always about coming through wide open throttle. It really is about finding that right pace, kind of like this guy's doing in this Tidewater right here. He's not going too fast, he's not going too slow. We see him as catching a little bit of air here and there, but for the most part, he's doing the pace this boat wants to do going through Haulover with the conditions that are at hand. Obviously, not every boat has the same capabilities. None of us are expecting this Tidewater to come blasting through Haulover Inlet at 50 miles an hour like that Hustler we saw in the first video, but you know what? He really did a pretty good job here. I'm going to go ahead and give this third round to the boats because they hit it at the right pace. Heading into the fourth round, we're going to see another one of those boaters who likes to come flying through Haulover Inlet with the throttles down. This Grady White's blasting through Haulover at probably 40 plus miles per hour, but he's making a huge mistake. He's got a kid in the bow of this boat with no life jacket on, and this kid literally almost eats it. If that kid's other hand would have slipped, we'd be talking about a terrible tragedy right now instead of a boat hauling tail through Haulover. I am going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover because I'll never give a round to somebody who's a bonehead like this. This is going to take us into our fifth and final round, tied at 2 apiece. Now we're going to see what happens when you come through Haulover with not enough horsepower. Right here we're watching my man try to kayak his way back through Haulover Inlet. Unfortunately, he's picked the absolute wrong time to do this. He's caught it at low tide, tide still going out a little bit, and this is when the current's ripping the hardest at Haulover. After trying to get through the inlet for about 45 minutes and getting pushed back out of the inlet again, a Good Samaritan vessel stops and offers to assist to get him back into the inlet. Obviously, we're going to go ahead and give this round to Haulover, and that's going to go ahead and give this episode to Haulover as well. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, be sure to check out our other two channels. We have Wavy Boats, who gets us all this great footage down at Haulover Inlet, and my channel, Broncos Guru, where we do some great comedy boating videos over there as well. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on that subscribe button.